Hi friends, it's Miss Andrea from the Hickory Corner branch of the Mercer County Library System. And today we're going to be doing a fun activity from Bedtime Math. If you're not familiar with Bedtime Math, they are a nonprofit foundation offering free math programs to families, teachers, libraries, all with the goal of trying to get kids to love math and incorporate it into their daily lives. If you want to learn more about Bedtime Math, you can go to their website, and I'm going to show you up here in the corner, bedtimemath.org, and there's free activities on there that you can do. There's also an app that you can download on a phone or tablet, and you can also check out these books from the library. And you can go to our catalog and you can put these on hold, okay? And so today's activity is called Stand Tall, okay? And these fun tricks show you how to compare lengths of the different parts of your body, and I think you're gonna be surprised by some of the things you find out today, and maybe it'll help you realize how cool math can be. Now I have my helper Bianca with me to help answer some questions, and we want you to follow along at home. Okay, so the first question is, do you think your foot is bigger or smaller than the length from your wrist to where your elbow bends like that? Okay, so do you think your foot is bigger or smaller than the length from here to here? All right, make a guess, and then let's try it together. Can you do it? Can you bend that way? Can you show them?
Will you help me?
Yeah. All right, so let's see. From your elbow to your wrist, look, it looks to be just about the same size.
Yay!
Wow, did you get the same result at home? Isn't that so neat? I think your feet look smaller than they really are because we're up here and we're always looking down at them. But actually, yes, your foot is the same length from your wrist to your elbow. Okay, well, speaking of elbow, did you know that it's almost impossible to lick your own elbow? Go ahead, give it a try. We're gonna try it now. It's gonna look super silly. No matter what angle you try, your tongue is just not long enough. Did you try? Ask your grown-up to try. They're gonna look super silly doing it. Okay, now let's move on to our next question. Okay, so our next question is, do you think the length of your arms spread all the way out from fingertip to fingertip is the same, shorter, or longer than the length of your body from your head to your toes? Okay. Make a guess, and then I'm going to show you how we can find out. Okay, so I've got Bianca helping me again. Put your hands straight out, honey. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get some tape to measure on the floor. This is painter's tape because it'll easily peel up. And I'm going to put a piece of tape by her one finger and a piece of tape by her other finger. Okay, so now we know how wide her arms are all the way out to the sides. So now we're going to scooch her around. Put her feet on the one piece of tape and see where her head is on the other piece of tape. Move your head over just a little bit. Oh my goodness. So her feet are here, her head is here, and it is the same. Was that your guess? Yes, so your arms spread all the way out to the side is the same distance from your head to your toes. Go ahead, give it a try. The last question is, do you think you get shorter, taller, or stay the same height throughout the course of the day? What's your guess? Okay, the answer is each day you become a little bit shorter, and that's because of gravity. It's pulling you down towards the earth and it scrunches you up a little. But then when you sleep, you can stretch back out. In order to try this at home, measure your height very carefully at night. Then measure again when you wake up and see what the difference is. As you can see here, Bianca was taller the next morning. Isn't that cool? Well, I hope you had fun with these bedtime math activities today, and I hope you start incorporating math in your everyday life. Bye!